Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying practical prerequisites: even lighting, good separation, and a clean background plate. Once done, import both your green screen clip and the background image or video into Premiere Pro. Make sure the sequence settings match your footage frame rate and resolution, then drag the green screen clip onto the top track and the replacement plate on the track below. This establishes the layer order required for keying. You'll be working on the top clip to remove green and reveal the background beneath. Next, apply the Ultra Key effect to your green screen clip and select the green with the eyedropper. You're telling Premiere which color to remove. Once keyed, refine the matte, increase or decrease transparency and shadow settings under matte generation to restore details. Under matte cleanup, use choke and soften subtly to tighten edges without halos. For color accuracy, use spill suppression and color correction controls to remove green spill and match foreground lighting to the background. Because matching color. To finish, balance the foreground and background using Lumetri color. Match white balance, exposure, and contrast so they blend naturally. If your subject moves, track and feather masks or add motion blur to avoid a cutout look. Once satisfied, render a short range to check for edge artifacts, then export using a codec that preserves detail. Pick a high bitrate H. 264 preset for delivery or ProRes for master quality. If you see green fringing, revisit spill suppression and edge choke to correct it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.